The men were dying slowly, and no one knew why. In the spring of 1747, aboard a British naval ship rocking on cold Scottish waters, sailors collapsed not from cannon fire, but from something far more terrifying. Their bodies were rotting from the inside. Gums bled. Old wounds reopened. Strength vanished. The sea didn't kill them. Mystery did. Below deck, the air was thick with salt, sweat, and despair. Sailors whispered of curses, bad air, and fate. For centuries, scurvy had haunted long voyages like a silent predator. Some blamed spoiled meat. Others blamed the sea itself. Treatments were guesses. Vinegar, seawater, prayer, none of them worked. Men kept dying. But one physician refused to accept superstition. James Lind was young, observant, and disturbed by the chaos. He noticed something no one else bothered to test. Different sailors were given different remedies, yet no one compared the results. Medicine, at the time, relied on tradition and authority, not proof. Lind wondered a dangerous question. What if the answer wasn't belief, but evidence? So he did something radical. On May 20th, 1747, Lind selected 12 sailors suffering from scurvy. Same ship, same conditions, same food. Then he divided them into pairs and changed just one thing: their diets. One pair drank cider, another took vinegar, others swallowed seawater or herbal pastes. And one pair, almost as an afterthought, was given oranges and lemons. Days passed. Most of the men stayed sick. Some grew worse. But the sailors eating citrus changed fast. Bleeding stopped. Strength returned. They stood. They walked. They worked. In a matter of days, they were visibly alive again. For the first time in history, nutrition wasn't guessed. It was tested. This was more than a cure for scurvy. It was a new way of thinking. Lind had unknowingly launched the first controlled dietary experiment. He showed that food wasn't just fuel or tradition. It was medicine. That health could be studied, compared, measured. That the human body followed rules, even when no one understood them yet. The tragedy is that the world didn't listen right away. It took decades before navies adopted citrus as standard rations. Thousands more died needlessly. But the seed had been planted. From that cramped ship came the foundation of nutritional science, clinical trials, and evidence-based medicine. Today, every vitamin label, every dietary guideline, every medical study traces a line back to that moment. 12 sailors, one simple experiment, and the courage to ask, what actually works? Because the greatest revolutions don't always begin in laboratories or palaces. Sometimes they begin on a wooden deck at sea, with fruit, doubt, and the willingness to test the truth. If this story changed how you see science, health, or history, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment with your thoughts. Your support helps this channel grow, and more hidden stories like this come to life.